Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm coming at you with another video from the series of health and beauty, and this time we're gonna be talking and maybe trying the black mask. I got this on Amazon for, I don't know, 15 bucks or so. I don't think I'm brave enough to go and smear this thing all over my face, but I figure maybe I'll try to do my biggest nose and see what happens. What do you think? All right, let's do it. Well, let's open this thing up and see what we have here. Got some anti-wrinkle. All right, I'll take it. Thought it was a brush, but it's... Oh, we got two of those. All right, that's all there is. Let's do this. All right, let's do this. I hope this isn't gonna be the biggest mistake of my life. All right, let's try. So they say that you have to wash your face, obviously, and oh, it's got a little thing on it. That's legit. All right, let's do this thingy. I decided to go with this round spatula kind of a thing, and they say to do a thin layer, but it seems to me like if you go with a thicker layer, it'll be easier to peel off. You would think. This is ridiculous. Alright, we'll see. This thing better work. I don't look stupid going to work like this. Anyway, my wife said that she would probably go for the freaking full face. That's gonna be funny. Well, if you want to see that, you might want to subscribe to my channel. And when I get that done, or when I'll do her, you'll be able to see it. Why am I doing this? I don't know. I know I got some pores in my nose. Figure I'll get all that shit out. Shouldn't probably be using S word, but it's not a bad word. It's a good word. The tip of the nose is gonna probably hurt like a MF. What do you think? Come on, ladies. You should know. I don't know if that's enough. I don't want to do too little, but I don't want to do too much either. You know what? I'll add some. What the hell? I got the whole freaking thing to use. As I said, from my estimation, I think it'll be easier to peel off if you get a thicker layer. That's the first time me doing this, so no expert here by any means. Alright, well, anyway, wash my face, put this stuff on it. We'll have to wait for it to dry. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so here it is. It's been about, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. It says to start peeling it from the bottom to the top, but I think this application, hey, it's not bad at all. It'll be easier to do it from the top to bottom. They say the top of the nose is the most sensitive spot. Wasn't bad at all. It's not bad at all. Well, it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. See, everyone is showing this. Doesn't seem like I had that much of a dirt on my nose. Which is good. We don't need a gross video here. Alright, have a good one. Subscribe. Wait for more of my videos.